Let me ask you something. How many years have you been learning English? 1 year. 3 years. Maybe even longer. Then why do you still freeze when it's time to speak? Why do the words disappear the moment someone asks you a simple question? Today, you're going to discover the real reason. And once you understand it, everything changes. Welcome to Fluent Speak Lab, where you start speaking and build real English fluency one day at a time. Let's begin. Listen carefully. Most people believe they can't speak English because they don't know enough vocabulary. That's what they tell themselves. I need more words. I need more grammar. I need another course. But that's not the real problem. Think about this. If I ask you, what color is the sky? You already know the answer. If I ask, what did you eat today? You probably know the answer. If I ask, what are you doing right now? You know the answer. The problem isn't knowledge. The problem is hesitation. The moment someone asks a question, your brain starts doing something dangerous. It starts searching for perfection. Instead of speaking, you start analyzing. You wonder if your grammar is correct. You wonder if your pronunciation is perfect. You wonder if you'll make a mistake. And while you're thinking, the conversation moves on. That's why so many learners stay stuck for years. They collect information, but they never build speaking habits. Imagine learning basketball by only reading books. Imagine learning swimming by watching videos. Sounds ridiculous, right? Yet that's exactly how many people learn English. They study, they memorize, they watch, but they rarely speak. From today, that changes. Your goal is not perfect English. Your goal is communication. Say this out loud. I don't need perfect English. Again, I don't need perfect English. Now, say, I need practice. Again, I need practice. Good. Because fluency doesn't come from knowing more. Fluency comes from using what you already know. And today, you're going to start doing exactly that. Now, listen carefully. I want you to imagine something. You're standing in a coffee shop. The person at the counter smiles and asks, "Hi, how are you today?" It's a simple question. You've heard it hundreds of times. You know exactly what it means. But suddenly, your heart beats faster. Your mind starts racing. And for some reason, the easiest question in the world feels difficult. Why? Because you're focused on being correct, not on communicating. That's the difference between learners and speakers. Learners worry about mistakes. Speakers focus on the message. Think about a child learning to talk. Children make mistakes all the time. They use the wrong words. They say things incorrectly, but they keep speaking. And eventually, they become fluent. Now, think about many English learners. They make one mistake and immediately stop talking. That's like trying to learn how to ride a bike and quitting after the first fall. It doesn't work. Fluency requires movement, not perfection. So let's practice a different mindset. Someone asks, "How was your day?" Don't search for a perfect answer. Just respond. "It was pretty good." Say it. It was pretty good. Again. It was pretty good. Now add one more sentence. I got a lot done today. Repeat it. I got a lot done today. Simple, natural, effective. That's how conversations work. Nobody expects a perfect speech. People just want a response. Now imagine someone asks, "What do you do?" Many learners panic, but a speaker answers immediately. "I'm learning English." Say it. "I'm learning English." Again. "I'm learning English." Now, expand it. "I'm learning English because I want more opportunities." Repeat. "I'm learning English because I want more opportunities." Good. You see what's happening? You already know enough English to communicate. You just need to trust yourself. The biggest lie learners believe is, I'll start speaking when I'm ready. But the truth is the opposite. You become ready by speaking, not before. Every conversation makes you stronger. Every response builds confidence. Every mistake teaches you something. And every day you stay silent, you delay your progress. So make a decision right now. Stop waiting. Stop doubting. Stop chasing perfection. Start speaking, even if it's slow. Even if it's messy. Even if it's uncomfortable. Because every fluent speaker you admire once felt exactly the way you feel today. The difference is they kept going. And now it's your turn. Say this out loud. I learn by speaking. Again. I learn by speaking. Now, one more time. I learn by speaking. Good! Remember that sentence? Because it can change everything. Now, listen carefully. This may be the most important lesson you'll hear today. The difference between people who become fluent and people who stay stuck is not talent. It's not intelligence. And it's definitely not luck. It's consistency. Most people get excited for one day. They watch a video. They practice for a few minutes. They feel motivated. And then they disappear. A week later, they're back at the beginning. But fluent speakers do something different. They show up. Again. And again. And again. Even when they don't feel motivated. Because they understand something powerful. Motivation starts the journey. Discipline finishes it. Think about going to the gym. You don't become stronger after one workout. You become stronger after hundreds of workouts. English works the same way. One conversation won't make you fluent. One lesson won't change your life. But daily practice will. A few minutes every day can create incredible results over time. Imagine two people. The first person studies English for 3 hours on Saturday and then does nothing for the rest of the week. The second person practices English for 15 minutes every day. Who improves faster? Usually, the second person. Because consistency beats intensity. Every single time. So, from today, stop looking for the perfect study plan. Stop searching for a magic trick. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Instead, build a simple habit. Speak a little every day. Read a little every day. Listen a little every day. And most importantly, believe in your progress. Because progress is often invisible at first. You don't notice it day by day. But one day, you'll understand a conversation that used to confuse you. You'll answer a question without translating. You'll express an idea without fear. And suddenly you'll realize you're becoming fluent. Not because of one big breakthrough, but because of hundreds of small efforts. That's how success works. Not just in English, in everything. Now, I want you to repeat these sentences with confidence. I am improving every day. Say it again. I am improving every day. Good. Now, this one, I am becoming a confident English speaker. Repeat. I am becoming a confident English speaker. Again. I am becoming a confident English speaker. Excellent. And finally, I will never give up. Say it. I will never give up. Again. I will never give up. Good. Because your future fluency depends on one thing. Not how fast you start, but whether you keep going. And if you keep going, you will succeed. Maybe not tomorrow. Maybe not next week. But eventually, you will become the English speaker you want to be. Congratulations! You just completed day 1. Now, here's your challenge. Go back and repeat every part out loud. Not in your head. Out loud. Train your voice. Train your confidence. Train your fluency. Then come back tomorrow for day 2. Commento day 2 ready. If you're committed to becoming fluent, remember, small progress every day creates massive results over time. I'll see you in the next lesson.